Looking for good revolvers to actually defend yourself? Well, these 10 revolvers that might as well save your lucky ass every time. From popular contenders like the Colt Python to revolvers you might not even heard of. You gotta watch till the end of this video to find out which is the best. Number 10. Smith & Wesson Model 500. One of the most potent revolvers in the entire world, the Smith & Wesson Model 500 was released in 2003 and is chambered for the powerful 500 SNW Magnum cartridge, which offers exceptional stopping power, making it excellent for big game hunting or serving as a backup weapon in bear territory. It is a large frame revolver that is known for its stopping capabilities. The stainless steel frame and cylinder of the Model 500 have a 5-shot capacity. It has a hefty, long barrel that can be up to 10.5 inches long, which reduces recoil and increases accuracy. Targeting is made simple by the revolver's adjustable rear sight and red ramp front sight. Overall, the Smith & Wesson Model 500 is a distinctive and potent weapon that is not for the timid. Number 9. Taurus 85. The Taurus 85 revolver performs exceptionally well. It is a revolver that is affordable and has all the necessary shooting features. Its overall length is 6.5 inches, and its barrel, which has a capacity of 5 rounds, is 2 inches. The dependable 38 Special Plus P can fit in its chamber. The fact that it is entirely built of stainless steel contributes to its weight, but this only strengthens its dependability and longevity. The matte finish also gives it a stylish appeal. It has a useful and comfortable polymer grip. Controlling the muzzle flip is simple, particularly when working with hotter loads. This is crucial. The front sights are not the best on the market, but they do a good job of preventing snagging since self-defense shooting is frequently a point-and-shoot situation. Actually, it doesn't matter all that much, because this revolver costs less than $300. Number 8. Smith & Wesson 617. The Smith & Wesson Model 617 is a reliable and adaptable revolver with a solid reputation for accuracy. It boasts a 10-round capacity and a stainless steel design that offers it good endurance, making it a perfect choice for people who need a high-capacity revolver. The Model 617 offers a smooth trigger pull and adjustable sights for better accuracy, making it simple to fire. Even during prolonged shooting sessions, the ergonomic handles are made for comfort and better control. For additional protection, it also incorporates a transfer bar safety. The Model 617 can be customized based on your requirements and preferences by choosing from a variety of barrel lengths ranging from 4 inches to 6 inches. The Smith & Wesson Model 617 is a dependable and accurate revolver that is likely to satisfy your demands, whether you want to use it for self-defense or pleasure shooting. Number 7. Taurus Tracker. Double-action revolvers in the Taurus Tracker family are renowned for their low cost, adaptability, and tough durability. They are appropriate for a wide range of purposes, from self-defense to hunting and target shooting, and are offered in a variety of calibers, including .357 Magnum, .44 Magnum, and .17 HMR. The Tracker's ergonomic grip, which offers a cozy and stable hold for better accuracy and control, is one of its distinguishing features. Moreover, the revolver has an adjustable rear sight and a fixed front sight that make it simple to focus on targets. The Tracker also has a rubber grip that lessens recoil and enhances handling. For shooters of all skill levels, the Taurus Tracker is a dependable and reasonably priced revolver that provides good performance and adaptability. Number 6. Dan Wesson 715. Due to its unusual appearance, the Dan Wesson single double-action revolver can be easily identified and distinguished. The Dan Wesson revolvers have 4, 6, and 8-inch long adjustable barrels. Because they can be used for both home defense and hunting, they are designed for accuracy, toughness, and adaptability. The single or double action pull of the Dan Wesson 715 is noticeably quicker and lighter than those of other revolvers. It can resist the recoil of shots fired with full-power .357 Magnum ammo, thanks to its 6-inch barrel and sturdy vent shroud. The weight of the Dan Wesson 715 is 2.9 pounds. 6 rounds can fit in the .357 Magnum or .38 Special loading wheel. It is a single-action and a double-action revolver, with a stainless steel frame barrel and cylinder. Now, the only actual problem with this revolver is its price, but it's one of the best revolvers out there. Number 5. Taurus Judge. Due to its capacity to fire both 410 shotgun shells and 45 Colt cartridges, the Taurus Judge is a distinctive revolver that has grown in popularity. Because of its adaptability, it is a well-liked option for hunting, home protection, and of course, self-defense. The Judge is a well-liked option among people who desire a flexible and powerful firearm for a number of uses, despite the fact that its size and weight make it unsuitable for everyone. Overall, the Taurus Judge is a well-built, dependable revolver that provides a rare blend of strength and adaptability. Number 4. Heritage Rough Rider. A gorgeous .22 caliber revolver, the Heritage Rough Rider is known worldwide for being one of the best. Modern, accurate machinery is used throughout the manufacturing process to ensure the Rough Rider's dependability and accuracy. It's an advantage of carrying a revolver that is practical. This US-made revolver comes in a few different configurations that can fire both .22 LR and .22 Magnum cartridges. What makes it so impressive is the timing of this action, which results in a handgun whose shots land exactly where you want them to. This right-handed, single-action handgun measures 11.785 inches long and has a blue metal finish. Unquestionably, the hammer block that was placed into the recoil shield will give you a greater defense. This handgun, which costs roughly $180, is an excellent alternative for you to carry. It can discharge rimfire weapons. Number 3. Smith & Wesson J-Frame. The tiny, lightweight revolvers in the Smith & Wesson J-Frame family are renowned for their dependability and sleek form. Law enforcement, military personnel, and private gun owners have long favored them because they are perfect for backup duty, personal defense, and concealed carry. The J-Frame is available in a number of versions with various barrel lengths, finishes, and grip designs, but they all share several essential characteristics. These features include a 5-round capacity, a double-action only trigger system, and a hammerless construction that lessens the chance of catching on clothing or other items. The J-Frame also has a fixed front sight and an adjustable rear sight that enable accurate shooting at close quarters. The revolver also has a fully enclosed cylinder, which adds another level of safety and keeps foreign objects out of the action. Overall, the Smith & Wesson J-Frame revolver is a useful and dependable weapon that is ideal for self-defense. Its small size and light weight make it simple to carry and hide, and shooters of all skill levels love it for its reliable performance and durable construction. Number 2. Taurus 856. The Taurus 856 is a small, lightweight revolver meant for self-defense and concealed carry. It is a dependable and useful option for self-defense scenarios because it is chambered in .38 Special and has a 6-round capacity. A double-action and single-action trigger design on the 856 enables rapid follow-up rounds as well as accurate single-action shooting. To facilitate precise shooting at close ranges, the revolver also features a fixed front sight and an adjustable rear sight. The Taurus 856 is distinguished by its ergonomic grip design, which offers a stable and comfortable grip on the weapon. Rubber is used for the grip, which helps to lessen felt recoil and absorb recoil for more comfortable shooting. The Taurus 856 also has a fully enclosed cylinder, a matte stainless steel finish, and a trigger that is serrated to improve grip and control. Overall, the Taurus 856 is a dependable and adaptable revolver that is suitable for both personal defense and concealed carry. Gun owners of all skill levels favor it because of its small size, comfortable grip, and reliable performance. Number 1. Ruger SP101 4-inch. Like the Smith & Wesson 69, this revolver too is often overshadowed by other popular revolvers. Because it is a compact revolver that is accurate and suitable for concealed carry and self-defense, the Ruger SP101 is one of a kind. The barrel measures 4.2 inches in length, and its entire length is 9.12 inches. It weighs 1.9 pounds. This 5-dual shooter's action capabilities, adjustable rear sight, and fiber optic front sight are its key features. It is available in 3 different calibers: .327 Federal Magnum, .357 Magnum, and .38 Special. The frame, cylinder, and barrel are all made of stainless steel. The synthetic hardwood grip comes from bent wooden plates. The revolver's fiber optic front sight makes aiming simple, even in direct sunlight. The Ruger SP101 4-inch barrel is the finest option if you're seeking for a great revolver for sporting, hunting, and animal defense, and for saving your sorry ass as well. It can be justified as one of the best revolvers out there. But do you know what isn't justifiable? The fact that you haven't subscribed yet. So make sure to shoot that subscribe button for more awesome videos. And hey, knowing which revolvers are great is good, but some of these guns are really expensive, so you have to watch this video where we take a look at the 8 best cheap revolvers to buy in 2023. Thanks for watching.